Hey guys and dolls, so remember how I said that we're in the middle of North Carolina and we should be completely safe from Florence? A little bit. Um, this is from being in my backyard checking out the lake that's formed in the backyard that's coming from probably the Yadkin River, which is one of the main rivers in North Carolina.
Which is less than a mile both ways, by the way.
It flows all the way to the ocean, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. Uh, so check out the video clips. My mom's freaking out. She already wants to call 911.
The roads are
We're good for a
flooded
little
too.
while. The roads are flooded too.
Yeah.
I hope we can get out of here.
We got a boat in the backyard. Somebody needs to swim out and get it though.
Yeah.
I'll do
I
it.
believe it's time.
I'll do it for content.
Let's do it for content. Okay, so now I'm getting just a little bit nervous. Check these out. Well, good thing Daddy moved the camper because I was sitting back there where the water's at. Mushrooms. Wow, those are tall considering. They weren't there like yesterday. Cool. Just gonna carry my shoes because they're flying away. And Mom's coming in here to check it out. Yeah, you're gonna have to because those are gonna be soaked. Ouch! Did you see that, Daddy? Good thing you moved the camper head, bud. Now get off me, you muddy thing. Quit it. Videoing. No, buddy. Where are we gonna go? Walmart. Walmart. Johnny gonna float away before we do. He's in Greensboro. He's closer. There's my greenhouse my daddy built me that I don't use, that I should use. I hope there's no snakes out here because I'm barefooted as hell. Which way do I go? We'll go this way. I don't know what that is. Sorry, it looks like an animal, but I hope it's not. My greenhouse. Oh, dude. Oh, that camper shell's completely covered. Well, like I told him, boat's in the water. Probably should pull it over here. Ow. So, like, the Yadkin is about a quarter mile through there, which is a main river that flows through North Carolina. I don't know what that is right there. Please don't attack me, whatever the hell you are. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. So we have a trail that runs up through the woods here. It's about a mile up, but if you turn, you can go to the Yadkin. But we usually go the mile up, turn, and go to the Yadkin because it's clearer. This is crazy. Whoa. So my mom, she's ready to pack up and leave. Man, we got good 50 feet yet. What is that over there? It's just a pile of dirt or something? Is that a pile of dirt or something?
It's, yeah, I said old stump.
Oh, an old stump. Okay. That's creepy looking. Dad, that's the first time your boat's been in water in a while. Does that thing still float? Oh, okay, good. That's a parts blazer. We use it for all the other blazers in the yard. Right over here, you can see out through the woods. Yeah. I'll turn this off.